What's up, guys? Rick at the RallySport Direct here. Behind me, we've got our poor little MK7 GTI. And the reason I call it poor is, well, this thing's lived kind of a rough life since we got it. First of all, it was the windshield was bashed in on the freeway from an unidentified flying object, and then shortly after that, it was involved in a hit and run. Well, it just got back from the car doctor, and so we decided to give it a little bit of love. So we were wanting to do full graphics on the car and aftermarket wheels, but the car doctor place, the body shop, said can't put any stickers on it because they still need a cut and buff. So that's fine. So we're just going to do wheels today, but what we're going with are the beautiful WedsSport SA-10Rs, 18 by 8.5 plus 45, specifically designed for the Volkswagen. So that's pretty freaking cool, wrapped in some Michelin Pilot all-season tires. So this should be a nice little setup, especially getting rid of these, in my opinion, crappy factory wheels. So this is going to be a pretty short installation video, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Whoa. Before we get these wheels mounted, one thing I should mention is that these will require 60-degree tapered lug nuts, or in this case, lug bolts, I guess you would call it. These ones are made by Gorilla and will probably be up on our website here very soon. Another thing to mention, weight of these wheels. We just went and weighed them. They are literally the exact same weight, 46.5 pounds. Stock is 46.5. These are 46.5. Getting a little bit of tire width, which is great, but keeping the same weight. Something cool I just figured out is the Lug Nut Caps actually fit back in. You know when you're looking at a wheel and you're like, yeah, I think that's gonna look pretty good on my car, and you install it and it either doesn't look quite what you're hoping for or looks pretty good. This is one of those rare instances where this looks way better than I thought it was going to. And because these are specifically designed for this car, I mean, the wheels and tires sit basically flush up against the fenders. And this, I mean, I'm blown away by how amazing these look. These WedsSports are seriously so freaking cool.